Ryobi's floor fan is great for ventilating spaces in the home and garage. If renovating and redecorating, this fan can help speed up drying times. Or if you're working on your car or motorbike in the workshop, it can help to clear fumes. Its 45cm drum delivers a large volume of airflow, and it has 3 speed settings, providing up to 4,800 meters cubed per hour. It has a pivoting head for direct and targeted airflow that can be locked in place with these, and has multiple fixture points so you can hang it on the wall or ceiling if needed. When used with our 5 amp-hour lithium plus battery, the floor fan can work for up to 9 hours. This floor fan is sold as a bare tool, allowing you to build on your OnePlus collection without the need to pay for additional batteries and charges. As part of the OnePlus system of over 100 great tools for your home and garden, this cordless floor fan will work with any OnePlus battery.